Most people get this wrong. They think LoanX is just another payday or quick loan app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that LoanX has evolved into a multi-purpose financial platform, providing early wage access, flexible installment payments, and tools to help users manage money more effectively. Here's how it works. LoanX allows you to access part of your earned wages before payday, often within hours. This is ideal for covering unexpected bills, emergencies, or urgent purchases without relying on high-interest credit cards. Eligible purchases can also be split into smaller payments, making monthly budgeting simpler. The app is easy to use. You can track advances, see repayment schedules, and analyze spending patterns. Notifications help ensure timely payments, which is essential for avoiding fees and maintaining healthy financial habits. The downside, overusing LoanX can become costly. Frequent advances or missed payments may lead to fees that add up, so it's best treated as a temporary solution rather than a long-term strategy. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only take advances or installment payments you can realistically repay. 2. Enable repayment notifications. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce dependence on the app. Who benefits most? Users with steady incomes who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or per repayment habits may find fees outweigh the convenience. In conclusion, LoanX in 2026 is a flexible and practical tool, but only if used wisely. Track your spending, plan repayments carefully, and treat it as a short-term aid. Subscribe for honest app reviews and actionable money tips to stay in control of your finances.